Hey, in this stream, we're going to create a very basic extension for Chrome. The problem with the last stream was I started something which I was not aware of how to achieve. Basically, persisting data across tab clicks. Like this extension should stay open even when I click outside or even when I'm, going to a different tab. Should it just work? And that didn't work. And there's definitely some answers that I thought of later on, but instead, currently the thing that I should run with is using ChatGPT and other AI tools. And so instead, I should take one step back and start from things that I really know. And the fact is that I have not been actively coding for a long while, so I don't really know my own capacities right now. I was a very basic coder for a long while before I transitioned into teaching coding. So what I should do now is like, let's start with the most basic extension. Let's see where we go from here. It's a long, I'm working towards a long goal here, so I don't need to rush. Okay, so today's stream, let's start to create uh, a basic extension for Chrome, a very basic one. So let's ask ChatGPT, give 5 very basic Chrome extension ideas. I don't want a bookmark manager. Thank you very much. No, boring. Tab manager. Moving tabs between windows. Nah, boring. Weather extension. Clipboard manager. Okay. Focus timer. Hmm. So this could be interesting, but I don't really care for any of these really. So how can we count all images on a web page? So those are IMGs, I get that, but that basically just gives me the images which are being used as in the IMG tags. What if I have other ways of making images show up? Are there other ways? Like for example, the I tag, which is used for font awesome. But this is decent. Let's try this. So give me manifest.json for Chrome extension for image counter. Let's copy this and let's come here and say a manifest.json. Take this in here, please. This manifest.json is needed for the extension to work. Okay, so this script.js need to change this to be count images.js, I guess. Count images.js, yes. All URLs, and they're going to match all of them, and this JS will run. What is the JS here? Let's copy this, let's paste it. Okay. Does this not need any? Well, I don't think. Um, will this work with just two files? A manifest.json and count images.js. Okay. Okay, two files are good enough. So now I need to, now can you help me add this to Chrome? Right, I have them. Open the Google Chrome browser and go to the Chrome menu. Select more tools, extensions. Where is it? More tools, extensions. Okay, this is it. Load unpacked, right? Let's see. Where is this located? Where? Yeah. Give the location to me, please. There you are. Now load an unpacked one. Stream a simple project, please. Let's rename it to, I don't think it will allow me to rename right now. Unless I could close all these files. Let's close all the files here. Then rename this to count images extension. Nice. Then let's see. Let's select that. There's the image counter. It has errors. Okay, manifest version 2 is deprecated. I get the error. Manifest version 2 is deprecated. Let's copy this and update the manifest.json. It's pretty much the same. Let's reload. Image counter issues gone. And let's go to mozilla.org. Yeah, before that, I want my extension image counter to be available here. This is the image counter. Yeah, let's see. In the console, this thing's supposed to give me, oh, see, it counted. Nice. Gave me 23 images. Whoa. Cool. Really cool. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Yay! So now we'll make it better using again ChatGPT and I don't know, I've not been using Copilot at all. So wait now. Okay, let's see. Something's off. Hmm. My internet's suddenly really slow. Strange. Maybe streaming's causing an issue. Something is wrong here. Something is wrong. Front end masters. Now let's look at the console. We got a collection of 63 items. Something's breaking. Now these are the tweet images. Okay. So they have lots of tweet images here. But these are not images. Which one is this? Okay. Okay. Whatever. So a lot of tweet images, and then this one is, where is this? Can you take me? How do I go directly? Scroll into view. There you are. Hmm. Okay. So we're getting all the images, which is really nice, really nice. Cool. And we're getting the length. Okay. So that's images. And hmm, okay. So okay, so let's do this. Instead of showing this in the console log, let's show this when we click on the extension. Instead of showing the number of images in the console, show them when we click on the extension name. So this so we have a okay, then this function here, first it counts the images, then it returns images.length, fine. Then Chrome on runtime on message adds a listener. We're adding a listener on chrome.runtime.onMessage. So I need to look at these different Chrome runtime object. Thank you. I'll look into that. So .onMessage add listener function request sender send response. Okay, I have a function like this that says if request.action is equal to count images, which is this, var num images assign count images. Wait, what? So it's gonna get number of images. Send the response as count as num images. Okay. Now on click browser action dot add listener function tab chrome.tabs.send message tab id action count images function response. Too much. Where num images assigned response.count where message assigned this page has this many images. Alert the message. Okay, this kinda makes sense, but there's a couple of no, there's the middle function which makes little less sense to me right now. This one here, where am I sending the response to? What's happening in this one? I'm going to dive into these things later on. If all of this works out, I'm going to try to understand pretty much everything that my code is doing, but only if it works, because I'm not going to be interested otherwise. Okay, so let's make it work. If I click on this, it should show up. Oh wait, why did I close that? Front end masters. Front end masters. So image counter. Yes, it can. I get that. Wait, you didn't show me anything. Why did that happen? Now let's try to take a look at the code. So they should have, oh, maybe it's blocking the alerts. Is it? So if it's not an alert, console.log the message should come up. Wait, we have errors. Cannot read properties of undefined chrome.browseraction.onClicked. No. I remember chrome.action versus chrome.browseraction. There was something related to this. So it says this line gives me the error. What is the error? Cannot read properties of undefined. So my manifest.json, okay, it says I need the browser action over there. Since my browser action is not there in the manifest.json, this won't work. So later on, I need to study this too. If this works, let's go. Update. Cannot read properties of undefined. Browser action. What is wrong? Yeah, there's no on clicked on this, right? How does it know that? So it says on clicked event is not available. That is weird. You can use a default pop-up to display the count of images when the extension icon is clicked. Here's how you can modify your manifest.json and count images file. Default pop-up, which is what we have. So this will take us to a popup.html file, right? Okay, so index.html needs to be renamed to popup.html with all this here. What is going to happen? And my JavaScript, they've extracted one function from here, the last one. So this one is in countimages.js, like this, and it needs to link my script. It has the script? Yes, it does. Okay, let's reload. Requires manifest version of 2 or lower. Browser action requires manifest of 2 or lower. Should just have given me an action thing. To do. So see, the thing is, this is just boilerplate. Even right now, this is just boilerplate. There's a lot of plumbing which is incorrect in this. Like my manifest.json is things which are not working properly. It's confused between version 2 and version 3. This is what I want from ChatGPT. This is a plumbing issue, which is something that ChatGPT or you know these LLMs should handle, so that we can focus on the logic for now at least. But the plumbing is not getting updated. Page action requires manifest version of 2 or lower. Just say action. How about I just say action? And for this, let's say page action anywhere. What is the 2? Manifest version. No, it is available in 2. It's not available in 3. Dude, it just downgraded my manifest version to 2. That's so lame. Now it says popup.html. Oh, made a mistake. This was just the script part. Using this script, give me the complete code for popup.html. It's got some styling too there. Let's see. Now, extensions. Update, please. You have an icon.png here. Why do you have an icon.png? I don't want that for now. Thank you. So stupid. Manifest version 2 is deprecated. It's stuck in a loop. It's just not working. See, now it is giving me action, which is nice. Okay, probably this will be nice. The updated background.js. Why do I have a background.js? Dude. Now it's just randomly changed the name for my JavaScript file. The code's changed a lot. Popup.html has proper HTML code. And now let's see, what do we have? Surely more errors. Okay. Problem with the icon.png again. Yes. Reading on clicked. Images.js number 3. Count images.js. I don't have a file like that anymore. Interesting. What is the mistake here? Your code didn't help ChatGPT. What is the error that we're getting? But I don't have an on-clicked. We do. We do have an on-clicked. Chrome.action.onClicked. It says count images.js, which is not true. It's background.js now, and it's the first line. It says the 13th line here. Completely incorrect. How about I close this website, open another one, this time mozilla.org. Okay, and now let's update it. Let's close it. Let's go here. Look at the console. Click on, no, let's go to Chrome extensions. It has errors here. Okay, so it says inline execution. Inline script is not allowed. Okay. It does not allow inline scripts. Okay, no inline scripts. Waiting, waiting, waiting. This is the popup.html. Let's go here. Let's select everything. Let me see. Yes. Paste. Doesn't have the script. Takes everything from popup.js, and this is my popup.js updated. Now this is updated like this. Popup.js. A lot of code is just, changing. A lot of lines. I'm not reading them, but I can see the file lines changing a lot. Hmm. Okay. Because the file name keeps changing. There is no background.js. Popup.js. Now there are errors. Now what's happening here? Still can't read properties of undefined. Popup.js 220. This is where it's breaking. Chrome.scripting. Okay, so now I am using an older version of Chrome. You want me to check that? Hmm. Still doesn't work. Even the simplest of things are not working here. Let's try. Simple manifest.json boilerplate code. Hmm. Let me see, the manifest version is 2 here. I want a manifest version of 3. It's a background service worker. Okay. We could have simply used this. Let's take this one out. And it says persistent is false. This is also giving me browser action. Yeah. And now Copilot doesn't know what to do. let it have a permissions of active tab, and the action is the same, the default title is the same, the default pop-up is the same. Come on. Nope, but this is not gonna work. Background.persistent key, okay. Here are the errors. Execute script, chrome.tabs.execute script is not a function. Okay, so now it's giving me a link. Thank you, let's try it. We might have a solution for this. Oh, this is totally weird. Something else opened up. Okay, so active tab, let's try active tab. Sounds nice. Using the chrome.tabs API, right? Yeah, see, permissions, active tab. So just go here. I have it. Ah, sad. So I have the access to uh, chrome.tabs. Now on chrome.tabs.execute script, I can't make it work. Why? There's a type error on chrome.tabs.execute scripts. So it's pop-up.js 215. It has problem with execute script. Says execute script is not a function. So two solutions. One is Chrome, instead of chrome.tabs, it should be chrome.scripting. Let's see if I can do chrome.scripting. What's gonna happen here? Command, there is no chrome.tabs.execute script anymore. We need better errors. These are not good errors. Shame on everyone. Why? Clear all, update. 220. Reading execute script. Okay, so it says chrome.scripting.execute script is also not working. So chrome.tabs.query goes there. Where does chrome.runtime.onMessage go? Causes more heartache than anything. A good read of documentation would have helped me so much here. It's been more fighting with this than anything. Okay, let's go. Manifest.json. I'm sure there would be more errors after this. Version 3, name, version, description, permissions, action. Where is the background service worker? Not going to change anything. Yes. Let's just say Control Z and be done. Okay, moving on. So you are gonna cause me more heartache later, I get that. Now this popup.html, let's see. And this one just has very small, yeah, because it doesn't have any styling. Okay. Image counter, script of popup.js. So the script is in the head now. Okay. Body has nothing. Hmm. Don't think that should be a problem. Pop popup.js. Yo, yo, yo. What? No chrome.tabs.query. Oh, okay. DOM content loaded. Then you run this. Active true, current window true, function tabs. Chrome.tabs.send message. Send message, okay. Tab0.id action is count images. Function response. Document.getElement by id count or text content is equal to this. Okay. And then there's a content.js, which is something that I have not added anywhere yet. Where the oof is it going to be? Where the oof? More errors, 100%. Service worker registration failed. Ta-da-da. Document is not defined. Wow. Pice up. Yeah, versioning would help. Ah, so wish I could just simply go back to that, to the situation in which, yeah, so let's delete everything. There you go. Thank you. Right. And now give me a manifest.json. Thank you. No, manifest version 3. That is the basic, and that's the most basic manifest.json. Then you have account images.js. Oh no, I don't need this. I don't need all of that. That's what is causing all the issue. Just give me my basic JavaScript, which I love. Thank you, God. Count images.js. Okay. And yeah, this should have been fine. Is it not inside? Now it is. Retry. Document. There is no document. No errors. Let's go back. Hmm. So in the console should give me the number of images. Again, my internet's breaking up for whatever reasons. Front end masters, will you work? Please, please. Don't be paused and debugger. Don't like Chrome at all. Let's look at what. Uh, Unsplash. There would be a lot of images on this. 102. Oh God, this is pretty basic stuff that we had already achieved in like 10 seconds. Not 10 seconds, definitely. But in the first 5 minutes of the stream, we had achieved this. And then later on, all the efforts that went into creating a more, a much better version of this failed. So I can say the conclusions for today include one, it gets confused with different versions. So uh, let's say the basic versioning for manifest.json has shifted from version 2 to version 3. And whatever the reason for that uh, being really early or whatever, that is causing a lot of break-in issues here. ChatGPT is not able to cope with it. So mm, conclusion number one, um, can get stuck in basic boilerplate code, which can cause a lot of heartache. And for that, so if it starts giving me, circular errors, I need to leave this. It can get stuck in the circular errors thing and keep giving me, issues. So I need to balance this with Stack Overflow for now, for boilerplate. So tomorrow what we're going to do is we're going to take up the same uh, extension, which is right now working for us. We get the number of images on a page, but we're going to add more features to it. So definitely when I click on this, it should appear. The image counter should show me the thing. And secondly, you know, yeah, I mean, like let's add features. So we'll see. So conclusion, balance the boilerplate code no, balance the circular error thing with other places of expertise like Stack Overflow for now. Okay, so our aim for tomorrow is to add more, like a couple more features, make it look decent, and then if we can, then we'll launch it. All right, that's it for the stream. Bye bye.